Okay, this video is to give you an up-close look on the movement out of an Emilian Wehrle singing bird clock. We pulled the movement out of the case in order to photograph it for an upcoming book dedicated to rare and unusual Black Forest clocks. But we thought we'd do a quick video. We have other videos in our library and on our website, blackforestclocks.org, that show the singing bird clock in action, but without pulling the movement from the case, it's impossible to see the front of the movement. So this video will kind of serve as just a documentation of the movement from the front. We'll set it off, and you can see some of the linkage in action that actually controls the singing bird that can't be seen from the front of the clock. And this movement is a 3-train movement. It's time, strike, and then you also get the song with the bird on the hour. And the movement will run for 8 days on both the time and strike train, while the musical train for the singing bird must be wound daily. For more rare Black Forest clocks, you want to check us out on our website, which is blackforestclocks.org. For more photographs and write-ups and videos dedicated to Black Forest horology.